Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to sow some bean seeds. So it is beginning of summer and I want to plant the beans, the French beans in my garden. So here I have a divided planter in which I have put a good potting soil mix. It has a lot of compost, a little bit of perlite, little bit of cocoa peat. So compost gives it nutrition, perlite provides good drainage, and cocoa peat keeps it moist. So here are the seeds. They are quite big, and so I'm hoping that they'll germinate very quickly. So I'm going to put just one seed in each pod. So I have pushed the seed down about a couple of inches and then covered it with soil. So this is a warm season vegetable. So they have to be planted when the weather is a little warm. So if it is cold outside, like 20 degrees centigrade or below, or maybe 60 degrees Fahrenheit or below, then you may want to start it in a seedling planter like I did here. Or if the weather is good, warm, then you can directly sow them, in the ground or in a big container. And actually, I did both. It's been exactly 1 week, and our seeds have started to germinate now. I see 4 seeds germinating.
The first two leaves of the bean saplings have opened up.
And I had put some seeds directly in this planter, and they have been growing too. So basically, if it is too cold outside, then you start the seeds in a seedling planter and grow that inside and later on transplant it. Otherwise, just directly plant it in the planter, because then you don't have to go through the transplantation in which some of the plants may actually die. You can see that most of these saplings now have true leaves. They are basically leaflets with 3 leaves in each leaflet. It's been about 5 weeks, and the plants have been growing nicely. Not all the seeds grew, but whichever ones did, they are growing nicely. It's been about 2.5 months and plants are growing well. I see some flowers, so very soon we'll have some beans also there. And this planter has mostly compost and a few half composted leaves. So the soil is really rich and the planter gets a lot of sun. So one of these plants got cut accidentally by me only. I was cutting something else and I cut that plant. So that is sad. But the rest of the plants are growing well.
So the beans have been growing very nicely. If you look at this, these are big enough so I can actually harvest them. So there are more growing here.
So now every day I am picking about 7 8 beans in these 3 4 plants, and they are so some of them are really petite and some are getting big. So in a week it's good number of beans for a family of two, and I'm hoping that this will continue for at least a few weeks. So I would say that growing beans was really easy. I didn't have to do anything
you plant the beans right where you want the plant to grow, and then just keep giving it sun and water, and it will just grow. And of course the soil has to be good, organic soil rich in nutrients. For that is true for any vegetable or any fruit. It's really good activity for kids because the seeds are pretty big, so they can sow it easily. So even if you had a small container, they could put a few seeds in there. They'll very soon the seedlings will come out, and then they'll continue to grow, and they grow very fast, so it's fun for kids to watch it. And then when the beans come out, they love to eat it because they have grown it themselves. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.